This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, warm potato salad. Y'all hear me talk a lot about easy peasy, lemon squeezy, macaroni cheesy recipes. This one takes the cake. Although there aren't any lemons, macaroni, or cake in the recipe, to be clear. But it's all that. It's the perfect side for any protein. Grilled or cooked in the kitchen, main dishes all year round. This side of potato salad hits. This one is relatively new in my repertoire, but it's a keeper. I got the recipe from my friend Pam, a fellow Flushingite. We both grew up in Flushing, Queens, and relocated. Not because of the unfortunate name of our hamlet, which hosted the 1964 World's Fair, for which my father happened to be an electrician on the GE Pavilion. We each had our reasons to move away, and we both found our way to Maryland, where she gifted me this delicious recipe. And now I share it with you. I hope you'll try it and love it and tell all your friends. MMMK makes your kitchen magic. I personally think that potato salad is good all year round. It's not just for summer. But this warm potato salad, Yep, let's eat.